Good morning, Room 207 students. How are you doing today? I'm here to teach you your next lesson in writing, your how-to papers. And the last time we learned together, I taught you about making a list, an expert list, about the things you are an expert at and the things that you can teach someone else to do in writing. And today I'm going to show you the next step in that process. Okay, you ready? So you'll need your papers, the stack of papers from your last packet, and your list. You'll need something to write with. Okay, let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you how to compile your steps in your writing. Okay, so you're going to start with your list. And you're going to think about which one you want to write about. And today, I'm going to write about how to make cinnamon toast. Maybe because I'm a little hungry. Okay, so the next step you need to do is to choose your paper. So step 1 is to make your list and select something off of it. Step 2 is to choose the paper you want. And the 3 kinds of paper you have are the how-to paper, where it's written how-to on top. And then in this one, there are numbered steps, but there's just a line. And in this one, there are there's just a line without numbered steps. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And the third thing you do when you're writing how-to papers is you draw your detailed steps. So you think about it, you visualize it. How am I going to teach somebody how to make cinnamon toast? And then you draw the detailed steps. Actually, I think I might have 4 steps, so I might have to go to this paper right here. Okay, and then you draw each step, and after you've drawn each step, you go to your things you will need page. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to put my title, How to Make Cinnamon Toast. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and draw my steps. And the first step is to gather all the ingredients. So I'm going to draw that. There's my 2 slices of bread. Okay, I'm going to need a toaster. Ask your parents first. Toaster's plugged in to electricity, so you got to ask before you use electricity. And then I'm going to need a plate and a butter knife. I'm going to need some sort of butter, or I like soy butter, soy margarine. And then you're going to need some cinnamon. Just going to put C for cinnamon. And then you're going to need some sugar. Granulated sugar is the best. So there's my ingredients. Okay? So that'll be step 1. So step 2, I put the bread into the toaster. And I push the lever down. Okay, down. Push the lever down. Step 3, when my toast pops up, I add the butter first with a knife. Spread the butter onto the toast. Step 4, I will need to sprinkle the sugar onto the bread. Jar of sugar. And the cinnamon. Okay? And then step 5, well, you are going to be eating it in step 5. So I need to add another step. Enjoy. Okay? So now after I have my steps, I'm going to go ahead and write them in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write about what I need first. And I need to gather your ingredients. Okay, and I'm going to list them here. Okay, and I'm also going to list them on my what I will need page. So I don't need to write them into this paragraph. Gather your ingredients. Okay, step 2. Next. Okay, and then next I will take bread and put into toaster. Press the lever down to toast. Okay. And now I'm thinking, I put next here, I should put first up here. So first, I'm already doing some editing. First, gather your ingredients. Okay. And then on the third step, I will put after the toast pops up, spread butter quickly, right? You want to do it quickly because it cools really quick, and when you spread it, it'll melt into the bread. So spread butter quickly so it melts into bread. Okay, and then step 4, after, and you can put next again, next. Oh, no, I haven't used then yet. I'm going to use then. Then sprinkle on sugar, and after dust, I'm going to say dust because I already used sprinkle, dust on the cinnamon. And then step 5 I can put up here. Last, enjoy with your favorite bread beverage. And I like soy milk, but you can use whatever you want. Lemonade, Pepsi, or just plain milk. Right? So this is how you compose your piece. And once you're done writing it, I did it kind of quickly, you'll take more time, you need to reread it. And I'm looking up here and I'm thinking, well, I have some space, so maybe I can go ahead and list my ingredients. First, gather your ingredients. Bread, butter, sugar, and cinnamon. You will also need a toaster and plate and knife. Toaster, plate, and knife. Period. All right? And then you would reread it back. Okay? And tomorrow we're going to learn about the other papers and how to make your cover page. All right, so have a good rest of your day, and you too can make cinnamon toast.